right, guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Hope you're well. It is Friday, the 12th of June, 2020. So my portfolio is currently sitting at, let me get to it, $4,054.07 USD. It is down a lot. It's down $270 on the day, which is negative 6.18%, which is a lot. It was up quite a bit, as you guys saw, my last video. And on total, I'm down $25, which is not too bad, which 0.62% in total. Not too bad. So yesterday or last night, I invested again, another 100 Australian dollars. So the total this week was 300 Australian. And some shares that I bought last night, and I will just check this reports and activity. Excuse me. Okay, so received a lot of dividends, which is really cool. Heaps of dividends this actually 2 days ago. Last couple of days, June being mid-year, so a lot of dividends are being paid out. So this week I invested 200 at the start of the week, which was roughly 180 Australian, 98 US dollars. And again, yesterday I dropped in another 100 Australian, and I ended up getting 63 USD back from that. However, there's been some dividends paid out here. So I've received dividends from AGNC, Johnson & Johnson, Chevron, CVX, EMR, IBM, Target, NSC, XOM Mobil, UPS, and that's it. So that's pretty cool. So we received a few dividends there. So I think I had about $3.80 in dividends come through, which I've then reinvested into stocks that I purchased last night, which were Realty, a new one that I had my eye on for a while, which was VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Index Fund. So I have got a few index funds in my in my portfolio, and I want to keep investing in those as well, because it's always good to have just your money spread out across and diversified across the market. Next one I purchased was VCLT, SPHD, Stag, and PSEC, my favorite. Risky but favorite. So they're the purchases that I made this week. And in terms of earlier in the week, I invested in, as my last video, IMO, which is the oil, Royal Bank of Canada, Philip Morris, SPHD, Realty, AbbVie, AGNC, and they're the ones that I purchased last week. So that's so earlier in the week. That's cool. All right, guys. So I'll show you a screenshot now of my portfolio and exactly how many shares were purchased for those amounts. So stick around. Cheers. All right, guys, I haven't got my headphones here, so I hope this recording works well. I'm going to try and speak clear. So $4,054.07. So you can see that my portfolio is currently $270.06, down on the day, 6%. And in total, $25, which is 0.62% in total, which is not too bad in total. So we'll go to my dividends, which would be awesome for you guys to check out. And you can see down here all the dividends that were paid out over the last 2 days. So I received $1.11 from AGNC, and I was taxed 17 cents, which is annoying, but it's not too bad, not paying the full 30% tax. Johnson & Johnson, Chevron, EMR, IBM, Target, NSC, XOM Mobil. I got $2.01, UPS 0.13 cents, and this is me funding it again with that 100 Australian dollars, which got me 63 US dollars. And obviously having the $3 dividends paid in that account, I've reinvested those as well. So I ended up having about $66 to reinvest, which is going to be continuing to happen. So you just keep building and using those dividends. Ideally, it would be good to get the dividends up to a point where it can basically be self-sufficient, where you get the dividends in every month, and every quarter, and just use those to reinvest, as well as putting in your own money and capital every time as well. So the aim is to become a self-sufficient machine here. So yeah, the shares that I purchased yesterday was Realty, $15, American, invested in there, and I received 0.2591 shares in Realty. VTI is the total index fund for Vanguard, and I invested $12.62, and I got in 0.08 shares, a fraction of a share, which is still pretty good. VCLT, this one here, $10, and I got 0.0955 here, so of a share, so almost 0.1 of a share. SPHD, another $10. This one got me 0.29 of a fraction of a share. A Stag, this is a good monthly payer. I invested $10 and I got in 0.37 shares there. And PSEC. Dividend yield is very high at the moment, so it is very risky, but they pay a good dividend every month. And this one, I put in $10 and got 1.88 shares in PSEC. So it's currently building at the moment. It's down on the day. I'm wondering what's going to happen tonight in America. So we'll wait and see how we go tonight in the market. But who knows? It goes up and down, but I'm in it for the long haul. So we'll keep waiting and we'll keep building. Guys, thank you very much for sticking around and checking out my portfolio and my dividend investing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it helps with the algorithm to show you guys and get these more views. All right, guys, take care. All the best. Have a great weekend. Cheers. Bye.